By default, the Windows taskbar, that bar on the bottom with your applications and menus, is always visible, whether you need it or not. But if you want, you can set it to automatically hide and only come up when you're hovering your mouse cursor near the taskbar, freeing up some valuable screen real estate. To hide your taskbar, we'll start by right-clicking on any empty space on the taskbar, and then choose Taskbar Settings. Once the settings open up, we're going to go to Taskbar Behaviors. And within that menu, you'll see an option on the very top to automatically hide the taskbar. Once I check that box, you'll see how my taskbar automatically disappears. And when it's automatically hidden, it stays out of the way until I move my cursor near the bottom of my display. When I'm pointing towards the taskbar, it pops up and works as usual. And when I move away, the taskbar goes away as well. And that's pretty much it. Click that like button down there if this helped, and subscribe for more quick, easy, and straight-to-the-point tutorials. Thanks all. Until next time.